In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart, or any other kind of chart really, using Google Sheets. The first thing I'm going to do is add the areas where I'm going to be showing the ratings. So I have strongly agree, agree, somewhat agree, neither, agree. So you can see the data that I'm looking at comes from a Likert scale. Now I need to type in the numbers that I have. So I have mine set to percentage. And now I have all of my numbers in. I'm going to click down here and go to Insert, Chart. Over here on the right, it's got the different kinds of chart you can use. There are a lot of them. I'm going to use pie chart. And here I need to add the value. So this is where your data numbers are going to come in. I'm clicking here, and I'm clicking in this box here to choose my range. And my range is right here. And I'm selecting OK. Now I need to add the label, which is the Likert scale responses. So I'm going to select Add Label, the little search, and the little data range to select. Click in here, and I'm selecting my data range. OK. And now you see my data range is showing up. So we've got strongly agree, agree, somewhat agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. Now I need to add a title to my pie chart. So I'm going to come over to Customize and Chart Title and Axis Titles, and I'm going to type in the title. All right, and there's my title. I'm going to make it black so it's easier to see. Now I've got my pie chart. The last thing I need to do is change my colors to match my color scheme on the project I'm working on. So over here, I've decided that that's going to be dark purple, and then I'm using the same gradient for these because they're all agree. The disagree, I've been using the color yellow, and the strongly disagree is a very light yellow. So you see the contrast between the agree and the disagree. And that is how you create your chart. Now what I want to do is I'm using these in a slideshow. So I'm going to come over to my slideshow, and I'm going to click Insert, Chart, and From Sheets. And here is my sheets I'm using. And here are all the charts I've created. And Import. And I'm going to center it. So that is how you create a pie chart, and you embed it into, in this case, a slideshow. You could also do this to embed a pie chart into your online portfolio as you are writing a web text.